Some men are rare gems, the kind you should never let go of. If you find a man who does these 10 things for you, he's not just a keeper, he's a treasure worth cherishing forever. Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we explore all things love, relationships, and self-growth. Today we're talking about the 10 amazing things a truly good man will do for you. If your partner shows these signs, you're one of the lucky ones, and you need to hold on to him tight. Make sure to watch until the end, because number 6 might just make you see him in a whole new light. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tips like these. 1. He respects you deeply. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. And if a man respects you, it shows in everything he does. He values your opinions, listens to your thoughts, and treats you as an equal partner. Respect isn't just about avoiding arguments. It's about how he speaks to you, how he honors your boundaries, and how he acknowledges your individuality. A man who respects you sees you not just as his partner, but as a whole, amazing person in your own right. Never let go of a man who consistently shows this level of respect. 2. He supports your growth and independence. A great man doesn't just support your dreams, he also encourages your personal growth and independence. He wants to see you thrive, not just as his partner, but as your own person. Whether it's pursuing a career, picking up a new hobby, or simply taking time for self-care, he celebrates your individuality and empowers you to be your best self. He's not possessive or controlling. Instead, he understands that a strong relationship is built on two whole individuals who lift each other up. If he's your biggest fan while respecting your independence, he's a man worth keeping forever. 3. He makes you feel safe. Safety goes beyond just physical protection. It's about emotional security. A man who loves you will create a space where you can be vulnerable without fear of judgment. You feel safe expressing your emotions, sharing your insecurities, and even making mistakes. If he's someone you can turn to during tough times, knowing he'll hold space for you, that's a love worth keeping. Emotional safety is the cornerstone of lasting intimacy. 4. He invests time in the relationship. In today's busy world, time is one of the most valuable things we can give. A man who prioritizes you and invests his time in the relationship shows he's serious about building a future together. Whether it's planning dates, having deep conversations, or even just being present when you need him, these are the signs of a man who values your bond. Time spent together isn't about quantity. It's about the quality of the moments you share. 5. He apologizes and learns from mistakes. No one is perfect, and arguments are a natural part of any relationship. But a man worth holding onto is someone who can admit when he's wrong and genuinely work to improve. He doesn't let his ego get in the way of apologizing or understanding your perspective. If he's the kind of man who uses mistakes as opportunities to grow together, rather than let them drive you apart, you've got someone truly rare. Humility and accountability are powerful signs of emotional maturity. 6. He communicates honestly. A man who is open and honest with you is worth his weight in gold. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, and if he's someone who's willing to talk through challenges, express his feelings, and listen to yours, that's a keeper. Honest communication isn't always easy, especially about difficult topics, but a man who prioritizes it values the relationship more than his own comfort. Never underestimate the power of clear, heartfelt conversations in building a strong foundation. 7. He makes an effort to understand you. Every person is unique, and a man who loves you will make the effort to truly understand what makes you tick. He notices the little things, your favorite coffee order, how you unwind after a tough day, or the way you light up when talking about your passions. This goes beyond just paying attention. It's about genuinely wanting to know you on a deeper level. If he's consistently trying to understand you and make you happy, he's someone you should never let go of. 8. He includes you in his future plans. When a man is serious about you, he won't just live in the present. He'll think about a future with you in it. He'll talk about where he sees the relationship going, involve you in big decisions, and make you feel like you're part of his long-term vision. Whether it's planning a vacation 6 months from now or discussing life goals, a man who sees you in his future is one who values your place in his life. 9. He stands by you during tough times. It's easy to be there for someone when life is smooth. but a man who truly loves you will stand by you when things get hard. Whether it's a personal struggle, a family issue, or a career setback, he'll be your rock. He doesn't abandon you when things get uncomfortable. Instead, he's there to support, comfort, and help you navigate through challenges. Tough times reveal true character, and if he's unwavering in his loyalty, that's a sign of a love worth holding onto. 10. He values your happiness as much as his own. A man who puts effort into making you happy, whether it's through big gestures or small, everyday acts, is someone who genuinely loves you. It's not about sacrificing his own happiness, but finding joy in yours. Maybe it's surprising you with your favorite flowers, cooking dinner after you've had a long day, or simply being there to listen when you need to vent. If he consistently shows he values your happiness, it's a clear sign he's invested in you for the long haul. And there you have it, -10 things a man does when he's truly in love with you. If you found someone who checks these boxes, don't let him slip away. A good man is hard to find, and when you have one, cherish him and nurture the relationship. Which of these traits do you value the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.